Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in a Carrera 4 GTS, a 992.1 in shark blue with a full factory body kit. We're in the heart of Shropshire at the moment. We've been going out for a little drive with Roger, one of my friends, whose this fabulous car is. And I must say it's flying along nicely. It's nice to feature this on the channel. It's my second take, I've just done another take. There's a railway line that goes whizzing past, and just as I'm in the middle of that, we ended up with a train going past. But anyway, look at this. How good does that car look? So Roger, how long have you had this?
I've had the car about 8 months now. Lucky enough to pick it up. 6 months old. It had done 685 miles.
So virtually brand new.
Somebody bought it, paid full retail, spec'd it to quite a high level, then had it ceramic coated, then had it fully PPF'd every panel, and then only did 685 miles in it in 6 months.
Gosh, that's bad, isn't it?
Yeah, I was lucky to find it. It was the right car at the right time.
And how many miles have you done now?
It's on 4,933, so it's had to have its first service.
Yeah.
Which was £985, so I didn't think
that done.
Porsche Centre Chester, so I didn't think that was actually so bad compared to like McLaren, Aston Martin prices, considering it's 2 years or 20,000 miles. I think the service plan is good. Yeah, I think the service plan's good. So
have you been on any trips in the car yet?
I've done a Yorkshire Moors and Dales border tour for 3 days, which is all up and over the Yorkshire moors, right up to the highest pub in Great Britain. That was a really good tour.
Obviously, we did the tour in round Scotland.
That was in my McLaren.
That was in the McLaren. But, so how did you find this comparing to the McLaren on tour?
Better handling. The McLaren was very, very comfortable.
Yeah.
It was a McLaren GT, so made as more of a Grand Tourer.
Yeah.
Exceptionally comfortable. This is just a much better built car, and with the four-wheel drive, it just feels safer. It holds the road exceptionally well with the four-wheel drive. You always feel safe in it, no matter, even if you're pushing it a little, you still feel safe in it.
Well, it seems to go really well, I can say that.
It does go well. I like the colour. The shark blue is quite an eye-catching colour.
It is a standout colour, yes.
Yeah, it's quite nice when you go through town and when the young lads see it, they're all pointing and asking you to rev it.
Yeah. As mentioned, this Porsche 911 is a Carrera 4 GTS model, finished in the very striking shark blue. Over and above the enhanced options you get with a Carrera 4 GTS, this particular car had specified, when new, a full factory fitted aero kit, adaptive sport seats plus the 18-way ones with memory. These are the most comfortable seats Porsche offer in the 992.1 range, and many say a must-have option for anyone who is wanting to use the car for any distances. They would absolutely be on my list for a 992. It has a reversing camera. The seat belts are also finished in shark blue to complement the exterior. For the in-car entertainment, there's a Bose sound system. The specification continues with power folding mirrors, Porsche Active suspension management, power steering plus, GT Sport steering wheel finished in leather, electric sliding sunroof. This, I feel, not only gives the sunroof functionality and benefits, but looks amazing in the black glass for the roof. Also, the car has front axle lift and has a feature I was not aware of, which is very handy.
So that's the front end nose lift, which is quite good because it must work off the GPS, so you can save the function so that when you come again you don't have to do it.
Well, that has been a fab afternoon out in the 992.1 Carrera 4 GTS. Thank you, Roger, for taking us out for that spin today. Really enjoyable, great spec car, fabulous drive, and thank you all for getting this far. And don't forget to like and share to like-minded friends. And if you're feeling very generous, hit that subscribe button. Thanks a lot for now, and until the next video, JP out.